Hey everyone out there in YouTube land, thanks for joining me on today's video. So I wanted to cover just a forum question that came up, that there was a comment someone said about making two bridges in InfraWorks and then sending both of them to Revit. So I just wanted to show this video today as a way to do that, and I guess an answer to that person's question. So I'm going to just do just a generic 4-lane road, component road inside InfraWorks. I'm going to lift it up off grade a little bit. I'm going to throw 100 meters of grading in there, and I'm going to throw some grass just for visualization's sake. And then I'm going to throw, let's throw in a bridge from here to here. And then I'm going to do the same over on this east-west leg as well. So that's one bridge. Add structure, bridge from here to here. Okay, so now that we've got the two bridges, and if anyone was not aware, we can pick up a bridge and send it to Revit, but I can do that with the first one, send to Revit, create new, and then down the bottom here it says click in canvas to select bridges, tunnels, or generic objects you would like to include. So I'll select the second one, go create. So we're going to send it out to Revit. So it looks like we've successfully got the two bridges in there. It's exporting the inventor parts or any referenced inventor parts. And then it shouldn't take too much longer. It will export both bridges out to Revit. And then this dialog will change. So it's just changed there saying that it's creating those Revit elements. And just while that's running, I'm gonna have a look at the task manager and see what the computer's doing here. So looks like there is a bit of GPU usage in there, but the CPU itself doesn't look like it's too stressed. So it looks like InfraWorks is trying to utilize the GPU as much as it can. So now Revit starts automatically. I didn't start Revit, so this is all part of the process of going from Inventor to Revit there. And then it shouldn't be too much longer. And then we're going to see both those bridges inside Revit in, I guess, their right locations in relation to one another. Okay, so switch to 3D. There we have it. So if I switch to realistic or even shaded, but you can see there we've got the roads and those bridges in there. So I guess that answers the question on the forums. We can send not only one, but we can send two bridges out to Revit, and then possibly even make some changes here and then update the existing model in there as well. So thanks for joining me on today's video. Thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. Please do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get daily notifications. And I will see you tomorrow for another video, possibly on some InfraWorks, maybe Revit, maybe a little bit of an intro to 2020, but see how we go, and I'll catch you tomorrow. See ya.